If you're waking up multiple times every night to urinate, this episode is for you. Because urinary frequency, especially at night, is one of the most frustrating problems out there. It destroys sleep, drains energy, and affects your mood, focus, and even blood sugar the next day. Let's get something clear right away. This is not just a bladder problem. Most people think it's a UTI, an enlarged prostate, kidney issues, or simply drinking too much water before bed. And while those can sometimes play a role, they're usually not the real root cause. The real issue is much more common and much more overlooked. Urinary frequency, especially at night, also called nocturia, is very often linked to metabolic dysfunction, particularly high insulin levels. Here's why this matters. When you don't sleep properly because you're constantly waking up, your body pays for it the next day. Blood sugar regulation gets worse, cortisol goes up, cravings increase, especially for carbs, and your focus and memory take a hit. You feel tired, irritable, and out of balance. Now let's talk about what's actually happening inside the body. People often assume it's a prostate issue in men. But here's the interesting part. Treating prostate enlargement doesn't reliably fix nighttime urination. That's because the prostate is often not the root cause. There's also confusion around testosterone, aging, and prostate size. But the pattern we consistently see is this. Urinary frequency is strongly associated with metabolic problems, especially insulin resistance. In fact, diabetics almost always have issues with frequent urination. Why? Because blood sugar and insulin directly affect how the kidneys handle fluid. Research also shows that when insulin is introduced, urine output can increase significantly. Insulin can interfere with hormonal signals that normally help the body retain fluid at night. When that system is disrupted, the body ends up dumping more urine than it should. And here's another key point. High insulin levels are extremely common in people with overactive bladder symptoms, even before diabetes shows up on standard blood sugar tests. But most doctors don't test for it. They check glucose, not insulin. And that's a big missing piece. So what actually raises insulin at night? The biggest factor is simple: nighttime eating. Snacking before bed, even healthy snacks or low-carb options, keeps insulin elevated when your body should be resting and repairing. And when insulin stays high at night, your fluid balance gets disrupted, which can lead to frequent urination. So here's the practical solution. First, stop snacking at night. Move your last meal earlier and avoid eating after about 6:30 p.m. Second, reduce fluid intake close to bedtime. Stay hydrated during the day, but don't overload your system right before sleep. Third, lower carbohydrate intake overall. A lower carb or ketogenic approach can significantly improve insulin sensitivity and help stabilize overnight metabolism. And fourth, consider intermittent fasting. Giving your body longer breaks between meals can help normalize insulin levels and reduce these nighttime disruptions. In many cases, people notice improvements within just a few days of making these changes. The key takeaway is this. If you're waking up at night to urinate, don't just focus on the bladder. Look at your metabolism, insulin levels, and nighttime eating habits. Fix the root cause, and sleep often improves dramatically. Subscribe for more deep dive health insights and stay healthy.